Welcome to the Santo Niño Cathedral in Calapan City, Oriental Mindoro, a place where faith, history, and resilience come together. It is founded in 1679 by the Spanish Recollect missionary Father Diego de la Madre de Dios. This cathedral is one of the oldest and most significant religious structures in the region. Originally built with bamboo and cogon grass, it was later fortified with stone to withstand the Moro raids and the 18th century. One of the most tragic moments in its history came in 1754 when the parish priest and men townfolk were taken during the raid. Despite being burned down in 1881 and caught in the turmoil of the Philippine Revolution and World War II, the cathedral was rebuilt and completed in its present form in 1962. The architecture of Santo Niño Cathedral reflects a blend of traditional and modern styles. Its elegant facade, prominent bell tower, and stained glass windows create a peaceful and reverent atmosphere. Inside the cathedral welcomes the visitor with spacious nave, an intricate designed altar, and a colorful lighting that enhances spiritual experiences. As the seat of the Apostolic Vicariate of Calapan, the cathedral remains a vibrant center of Catholic faith and community life. When visiting, it's best to come on during the early morning for a quieter and more reflective experience. Remember to dress modestly as this is a sacred space. After your visit, take time to explore the nearby local shops and eateries to enjoy the warm hospitality of Calapan. Whether you're here for prayer, history, or simply to admire its beauty, the Santo Niño Cathedral is true treasure of Oriental Mindoro.